in terms of giving generously to those in need. It is narrated that the Holy Prophets of Islam ﷺ once said, each day 2 angels descend. One of them says, O Allah, grant even more to the one who spends in charity, and may there be many others who follow in his stead. Thereupon other angels say, O Allah, may he who withholds charity and is miserly be destroyed, and may all his wealth and riches come to an end. It is purely with this intention of being able to serve others that Humanity First seeks to raise funds, and having observed this spirit, many non-Ahmadis and non-Muslim individuals and groups have donated significant amounts and placed their trust in Humanity First. They acknowledge that compared to the humanitarian relief agencies, they had seen how Humanity First uses its volunteer army to ensure that administrative costs are kept to a minimum, so that the maximum amount of money can be used to provide support and assistance to those who need it the most.